Here's day 30. It's Sunday, it's even windier today. I was scared last night, it was really windy. I thought this gable was gonna get taken off. That's pretty solid, I guess. I heard the wind howl in last night, I was freaking out. But it's all still standing. My dense glass still isn't here. I might have to go pick some up myself. But I'll finish what I can up here. I got the back all done. All I really have left to do is frame in that side gable. And then frame in the little 2-foot section over here. I got this part all done, but there's this piece here. I have to finish this piece and then sheet it, and then I can put my top piece of fascia on it. And I can do that same block thing at the top that I did at the back. So I'll start with that 2-foot section up there. I have these 3 pieces cut. One of them is a piece of fascia. It's cut to the same length as that front piece up there was. The long to short, the shorter piece. It's the exact same length, long to short. Plus I have 2 more 2x4s cut long to short. And I marked them all out at the top. That's where the lookout's gonna go on flat. So the middle one, I'm gonna notch 1.5 inches out of to fit the lookouts on flat. So I got 1, 2, 3 lookouts. These are going to be my lookouts. They'll sit on flat and then have the 2x8 block like that. So I'm going to notch those out on the middle one, and then I'll nail the whole thing together, and then I can just carry it up there, drop it in place, and nail it up. And then put the sheet on it. I'll get those sheets pre-cut too. So I got these 2 notched out. I'm only going to notch the 2. The third is too close to the top. I'll just I'll nail this together. Now I have this built. I'll stand it up through here, pull it up there, and then this 2x4 will sit on top of the gable. Yeah, I got that on the front. This wind is getting really bad. That's pretty much the front done, except for the sheeting on it. I'm gonna put a 2x4 here and here though to bring it up to this, but I'm not gonna do it on the gable because that's gonna leave more venting for the roof space. Put a ridge block across here, and then another ridge at the top like that. There's all that framed in. Now I just got to do that top piece and put this fascia on. But I got to put the sheet on there first, and I don't know if I want to do that yet. It'll get ripped out of my hands and get thrown away over there. I'm just really pushing on the sheet. Top in here. 2x4 across here, 21. I need a green So to make the top piece, I got this nailed together. It's the 10 5/8 to the short of the 8/12. And then I'll just take my ridge block, nail it through like that, and then take my 2x8, nail it on like that. And then you get that. So I'll pop it up there. But safety first, I'll put my harness on. See how safe I'm being. Now let me climb all the way up to that peak with this camera in my hand and this in the other hand. The wind doesn't knock me off. Perfect fit. Now I'm gonna run a 1x4 on the bottom cord. I laid it out the same way as the wall. So I'll butt it into the gable over there and nail that down to all the trusses. And that'll hold them straight. You need to have that every 10 feet, at least every 10 feet. Now my building's 20 feet wide, so I could get away with just one in the middle, but I'm just gonna go two. I'll go one down there, another row here. I'm only gonna nail it to the last one of these though, so I'll have to take these off. I'll put this one in here, nail that up. I can still pull these trusses out, this won't be in my way. Well, that's as much of the front as I can do right now. So I'll go finish all the back, which is almost done. I'll just put my strapping in, the 1x4s again. And I think that's actually done. And then I guess I'll frame up this little gable. Here's all the 1x4 strapping at the back nailed on. Now that I have that nailed, I can nail the trusses down to the interior walls. And that'll hold the interior walls plumb where they are. So for this gable's dropped 3.5, so it's gonna have a 2x4 on top. It's gonna have an overhang of 1'6" here. It's 1 foot everywhere else, but it's 1'6" this way. So I'll put my first, I'll put a 2x4 on at the top, and then just run it out, and then measure off the corner 1'6", and then make a mark, and then take 1.5 inches off of that for the fascia, and that'll be the length of my board. So I can cut 2 2x8s to that and 4 2x4s. So I'll start with a 2x4 longer than I need. Put it on top. And line it up with the peak. And then I'll just tack it there, and then I can get a measurement at the bottom 1'6" away from that corner. So this is gonna stick out 1'6", but I want to mark it at 1'4.5". So off the dense glass there, 1'4.5", I'll make a mark, and then that'll be an 8/12. And I'll cut that off. Here's my piece cut. Now I'll measure what it is, and I'll cut 3 more of those and 2 more 2x8s the same length. That's 109. Oh, now that gun can take it. It's 109.5 long to short of an 8/12. So I'll cut 3 more of those 2x4s and then 2 2x8s at that 109.5. Is the gun okay? Of course it is. So now I have a 2x8 cut and 2 2x4s, and then I marked where my 3 lookouts are gonna go. I'm gonna notch the middle one, just like that front thing that I did. I'm gonna do the same thing here, but I'll have to make 2 of these, 1 for each side of the gable. So I'll notch those out and make another set of these. So here's my two sets of pieces. I actually notched both of them because these lookouts are going to be short. It's a 1'6" overhang, so it's going to sit in there. So I'd rather go over two of them. This one I'll just stick frame it in place. I have all my pieces cut right here. There's that all frame. I only need the piece of fascia on the end now. There'll be a little 2-foot piece going there. And I'll need another one on this end. And you might think I cut this fascia too short, but it's not going to matter because this bigger gable is going to have its fascia on it and it's going to come all the way down to like there. And I'm going to be cutting that off anyways. But I'll put these two pieces of fascia on now. So this part here is gonna have a pork chop on it. So it's basically just like a box. So I cut this. We're gonna fit it in here. Like that. Like that. And I'm gonna nail it back here to the house, and then I'm gonna fill in the front part of it. So now I have a 56-degree angle cut on here. This is a 2x10, so I can put it in here until it goes flush on the bottom. Then I'll trace it on this side and put it in there. Just like that. Now I'll do the same on the other side. And there's the other side then. Let's see how that looks from the ground. And that was the whole point of that 6-inch build out, so that they could have the lower roof down there and then that upper gable up there, and then the big gable will sit behind that, and then there's still this other gable that needs to go up on top of there. But I don't have any dense glass, so it's time for a beer.